Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Today, we're talking about something that might sound counterintuitive, but could be the game changer for your cleaning business: maximizing your business with fewer clients. I know what you're thinking. Fewer clients? How does that grow my business? Well, hang tight, because by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how having fewer but higher value clients can lead to more profits, better efficiency, and less stress. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about time management. Most cleaning business owners feel like they're constantly running on a hamster wheel, juggling multiple clients, working crazy hours, and still not hitting their revenue goals. Sound familiar? It's time to hit pause and rethink the way you spend your time. Instead of filling your schedule with back-to-back clients, focus on optimizing the clients you already have. You know, that handful of loyal clients who consistently pay you on time and appreciate your work. Can you offer them additional services? Maybe deep cleaning, organizing, or even specialized services like carpet or window cleaning? By expanding what you offer to these clients, you increase the value of each visit. More services, more revenue, all while working fewer hours. Now let's dive into client retention. The truth is, it costs way more to find new clients than to keep your existing ones. But here's the kicker: not every client is worth keeping. Harsh, I know. But if you've got clients who constantly haggle over price, cancel at the last minute, or don't respect your boundaries, they're costing you more than they're worth. It's time to focus on client quality over quantity. Look at your client list and ask yourself, which clients are my ideal clients? These are the ones who value your service, pay you well, and make your job easier. It's those clients you want to nurture. Offer them incentives for sticking with you, like loyalty discounts or priority booking. Show them they're valued, and they'll not only stay, they'll likely refer others who are just like them. All right, now let's talk pricing. This is where many cleaning businesses fall short. Too many clients, too little pay. If you're still charging clients based on how much time you spend cleaning, you're leaving money on the table. The goal is to shift from a time-based model to a value-based model. Here's what that means. Clients don't pay for how long it takes you to clean their home or office. They pay for the result. Whether it takes you 2 hours or 5, the result is the same: a spotless, fresh space. That's what they're paying for, so price your services accordingly. Start by evaluating your current pricing. Are you charging enough to cover your cost and still make a profit? If not, it's time to raise your rates. Yes, some clients might leave, but that's okay. Remember, we're focusing on fewer, higher-paying clients. Those who stay will understand that your service is worth the price. And here's the best part. With fewer clients, you'll have more time to deliver even better quality, which leads to happier clients and more referrals. So, how do you find these high-value clients? Well, it starts with your marketing. Instead of marketing to everyone and hoping someone bites, start targeting specific niches. Maybe it's luxury homeowners, small offices, or Airbnb hosts. Narrow your focus and position yourself as the expert in that niche. By doing this, you become more than just a cleaner. You become the go-to solution for that particular group. And once you've got those high-value clients, focus on service quality. Don't just clean, over-deliver. Offer personal touches like leaving a thank you note after each job or sending a holiday card. Make them feel appreciated, and they'll not only stick with you, but they'll also refer more clients like them. Another thing to consider is systematizing your operations. If you're still doing everything yourself, scheduling, billing, cleaning, it's time to get organized. Invest in tools like scheduling software or apps that handle payments. This frees up your time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. And if you can afford it, consider hiring an assistant or even another cleaner. By delegating tasks, you'll have more time to focus on building client relationships and improving service. Now, I know this all might sound like a lot, but let's break it down into a simple strategy. Cut out the low-paying, high-maintenance clients. Raise your rates to reflect the value you provide. Expand your services for high-value clients. Automate or delegate your day-to-day tasks. Market strategically to attract premium clients. By following this approach, you'll not only reduce your workload, but also increase your income and overall satisfaction. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. At the end of the day, having fewer clients doesn't mean sacrificing growth. In fact, it's the opposite. With the right strategy, you can scale your business, earn more, and stress less. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on maximizing your cleaning business with fewer clients. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to grow your business. See you next time.